Hey, good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening. It depends on the place you're watching me from. On today's video is a super special video, guys. I'm starting this video in early in the morning from this beautiful side of the village or the countryside in Kenya, and that is Isibare Nyabohanse village, which is one of the best and the greatest villages ever. No matter what you see in and out, but it's peaceful with people over here, despite what you hear or despite what you see sometimes. But let's put that aside. It's early morning over here, and guys, we are ending up or we are winding up November as a month, and now we are welcoming December as the last month of the year. And also there are people who set goals like, by the end of this year I would have done this, by the end of this year I would have done this. Have you accomplished your goals? And if not, please keep on pushing, and also we keep on motivating each other, we keep on sharing, and we keep on pushing. Maybe next year also is another year to try, because there are those who said, by the end of this year I would have built, by the end of this year I would have bought land, by the end of this year I would have bought a car, by the end of this year I would have saved this much, by the end of this year I would have done this. But still there's room for that, and also there's more rooms, because as long as we pray to Almighty God for good life, and also to give us more and more life, that will be better to keep on achieving our goals. Yeah, so please guys, show some love, subscribe if you haven't, like, and leave a sweet comment about what you're going to think about this video. And first of all, I want to give much thanks to Almighty God. And also remember what, guys, by the end of this month, it's a birthday for my wife. Happy birthday. Help me sing. Happy birthday to you, wife. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, it's a birthday month for me and Howie. Please help me with some ideas that I can also go and maybe surprise her at this moment where, now there are two. She's two in one. She's carrying a precious, very precious person in her, and I can't just take that for granted. I'll just leave everything and rush there. So please help me by suggesting which is the best gift or which is the best. Also, we say presence matters, but now my presence with something precious also, so that she can also feel loved, and also that. So, and also, yeah, that is, so it's on 30th, it's her birthday. So maybe through God, by giving us good life, I'll just travel there and check on it. But before that, I just finish with grandma a little bit, because for now she's kinda a little improving. Not like before I could carry her up and down, but now she can limp. I think she needs physiotherapy, and also I'll take her to CT scan, because she has a very limping leg that always gives her problems. So keep on praying for CJ's family, and of course we'll be doing that. And my brother Manu Claude, she's preparing some food for Granny. Maybe I'll take you there and wanna see how she's doing over there. So remember, road to 30,000 subscribers. If you subscribe today, you'll make Claude very happy and proud, and also you'll be so proud because you'll be very happy for Claude Joseph. Let's see, and happy Merry Christmas to you all. All right, let's check. No problem. Manu, what are you doing?
I'm cooking for baby.
You're cooking for baby?
Yes.
Add nini?
No, I have been told to cook the soft one.
Very soft.
Yeah.
Guys, this is the hardest ugali to cook in Korea land, which is how do you call it? Cassava? Cassava ugali.
Yeah. Brown ugali.
Brown ugali. Who taught you how to cook?
Mom.
Mom.
Yeah.
Let me wipe my camera. So you're cooking for baby?
Yes.
Yeah, guys, now here, at least I feel a little bit relieved, because Manu can cook, which is like the moment you are, because I usually say that at my home you start having these house chores when you are very young, very young. Like me, I started washing clothes when I was in class 1. Pre-unity I could just start washing my shirt. Class 1 I could wash maybe on a Saturday. I could just start washing on my own. With Manu now, nobody washes for his clothes for him. It's himself. He can cook. So these are the tactics of surviving. Even if we leave him in the village, if there's anything in the like maybe flour, everything, he can cook for himself. Now he is preparing food for Bibi because Bibi doesn't take this white ugali. She takes brown ugali, and it's morning here, so we want her to at least now she's feeling a little improving a little bit, but there's a leg that she has a problem in the leg. Her left leg is not moving. I think it's kind of rheumatized, you know. So maybe tomorrow or today I'll be taking her to the hospital to go for checkup, because we might not know, because for people who are diabetic sometimes you might think it's just a normal limp, and you find it's a paralyzing, you know. Sometimes being paralyzed starts slowly by slowly, and then it's like a stroke. The moment it hits you, you lose a lot of money for that. So for now, let Manu prepare for Vivi, and it's early preparation for Christmas also. So from here, Manu.
Yes.
All right. Also we have milk. This is called milk over here. Very nice. So let's go out. We wanna go tie our goats. Hey, and our house looks shaggy. From tying the goats, I wanna come just share with you how we are cleaning day, and preparing our best of the world. All right, guys. The chief chef of the day. Give yourself a shout out.
Yeah, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Claude's YouTube channel.
Yes.
If you're new there, please subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment. My name is Claude, and today I'm a chef in here, and I'm cooking for Bibi.
Yeah, guys, for the day. Yeah. All right, man. Please, guys, show some love. Subscribe to his YouTube channel at Claude, yeah. And I really appreciate your love and support. All right, guys. Let me rush to tie the goats because he's preparing this. Let me also rush to prepare the goats. All right. Good morning. Good morning. Don't worry, guys. I'm just putting on my legs that way. We don't mind our socks. Good morning. Good morning. How do you do? These dogs always stand by the road, by the gate, by what we call like by the door to just wait for me. Good morning. Good morning. This dog, it used to be very thin, but nowadays we feed them dog's food, it looks a little bit better with this one. I saw people saying your dogs look thin. No, this is, you know, this is a local dog. It's a local dog and it eats, you know. But in few days you'll see it very big. Bumble and Bee, how are you? These dogs loves me, man. Wait, if I die they will cry. And I came to understand one day that the moment you see animals feel safe near you, that means that you have a very high vibration. That's according to something that I saw on Google, and also when I was reading a book. It's called Effective of Marriage by Van Pelt. At the moment you have a higher vibration, even the moment you move in a dark room, there's something that you feel. So with the moment you see animals feel safe near you, that means you have a higher vibration. So let's see that high vibration. Even the goats have high vibration. Embuzi ya kolera me. Let's just go, because I'm going to give out these goats some days. Yeah. Say hi, guys. How are you? Will you be my Valentine? No. Will you be my Christmas? Embuzi ya kolera ime take banana ime ozambe oza. What are you crying? What are you, Korera? Huh? Why are you crying? Come on. This used to be one of the oldest goats we had here, and one of the most stubborn goat ever. So I want to look for a place where I just go tie them, because down here things are okay. And I saw my brother digging a septic Now look at these small dogs. They're always with me. I saw my brother Jacob digging a septic tank because he has a toilet. This is a toilet for him. It's a toilet for him. So he decided to put this septic near here. It could be better if he could have squeezed it somewhere. I told him. But also let me know in the comment section, because guys, with you, sometimes you give me best comments. Is it supposed to be near the house the way it is? And he told me maybe this is the best place for him, because you know what you call like the if you treat it well, then it will not bring what you call like what it will bring like a bad smell to his house. But if you leave it that way, oh my god, he will see fire. He will not even sleep in that house. Yeah, so, and also this is what you see on this other end. Very, very nice, great. And we had some bricks over here, guys. Recently I was making bricks, but unfortunately the guys just disappeared because they got a bigger tender. Because with me I gave them a tender of 10,000 bricks, no, 20,000 bricks, and somebody gave them 50,000 tender of bricks. So they decided to run for 50,000 and leave 20,000. And still it's okay, because everybody have to rush where he feels better, you know. If you don't feel safe, you run. If you feel safe to a place where you know you are safe, you also run. So this used to be a place where they make bricks from, and still it's the place that we'll be making bricks from, because I'm waiting also for them to, where there's no good maize on this end, they can come and clean it, and also they use it to do what we call like to make bricks. Because the moment you make bricks that way, small bricks, they can also help us also to build our dream house over there in our dreamland. Hey, come, let's go, Bumble. Let me bring the goats, tie them over here. Bumble. So let's go and come with one by one. This season, maize has been doing it the way they want. Alright, guys. Animals feel safe. If you see an animal not feeling safe near you, hey, village life. Anu, let's go. The craziest thing with these animals is they are very, 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 very stubborn. If you're not careful with them, hey, they will pull you helter skelter. Huh? Look, they're running anyhow. If you don't have power also to hold them, okay, you will see fire. The craziest animals ever. Embuzi. In Uganda, I see they call them like embuzi. Huh? In Uganda. So they say embuzi ya kolera. Look at Bumble and Bee. Also Bumble and Bee are acting as look at Bee. Bee with the big. Okay. Alright, so this is the zone where I start tying them over here. Yeah, guys, so our goats are really enjoying here, and as you see, let them eat. And you see, imagine, guys, if you see there's some guys over here, they are holding some long stick with a lot of branches over here. So through these sticks that they are holding, it has some gum, you know, it has some gum on top of it. So they go all around to the maize, like those guys you see there. These guys you see here. It goes all around. Bumble, Bumble. You see, they have a tree that has several branches, and in those branches they have put gum. So in that gum they put in the maize like this. You know, when it's the maize season like now, there's several birds that come and start to do pollination. They eat what we call like those flowers of the maize. So the moment they eat, they put some stalls, some like termites, you know, on those branches. So when the bird come and sit on top of that branch, it get glued and they harvest it. Hey, that's preparation for Christmas, you know, everywhere. Those are tips that we used to do very long time ago. When my elder brothers used to be around here, you know, we used to go to the bush and have a tree that has several branches. We remove the leaves, and then we leave the branches. So there's a certain tree, we have it over here. It's called water tree, but we can regard trees as a what we call like glue tree. You know, it brings milk, but the moment you leave that milk for a couple of time, like maybe half an hour, you see still it has some cuttings. Those you see some cuttings. It acts like a rubber tree. So the moment you cut it this way, you cut, you start to remove glue everywhere. So you see it has several cuttings. Not only us, but also some neighbors used to come here and harvest that glue. So you cut up there, so it will start removing milk, a milk like thing. So it acts like rubber. So the moment you remove it with the stick, then you put in a very nice stick that has several branches. So you put the glue and then you put some termites. When a bird sits on it, it cannot fly. You come, you harvest. But we came to realize that we are killing the nature, and we stopped hunting. We could be hunters and gatherers, but we just stopped long time ago. But actually this is home, and this is how our beautiful home looks like. Yes. Okay. So in the morning, I was washing my footwears. I'm waiting for them to dry. You know, right now being I'm acting as a single bachelor boy, but I'm married because nobody's around. Let's check up on Bibi. Ozambe, how are you? How are good?
Yeah, good.
Yes.
Yes.
Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Eh, amka juu basi tuangalie bibi. Simama. Hivyo. Uko sawa saa hii? Saa hii uko sawa kidogo? Unapata nafuu?
Nani?
Wewe? Uko na nafuu kidogo?
Saa hii? Ni mguu hii.
Mguu mtumbavu. She said for now she's a little bit improving because we have a lot of meds that we have been bringing to her, and also what is remaining, I'll take her to the hospital for the leg. There's a small medicine that it's a pill. They're like pills. We brought them to her. Like the moment she takes it, she feels more better than like the other days. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. But by now she can walk by herself a little bit. A little. Baby, unaweza imbia watu kale ka wimbo kako ka haido maiye mulai. Haido mana fikila ngaso imbie. The moment I sing the moment I start to sing that, she feels better and laugh. Haidoma iye mulale, haidoma
Sultani Kimola.
haidoma iye mulale, haidoma
Iwito wabikira ngaso.
haidoma iye mulale, haidoma
Iye lale.
haidoma iye mulale, haidoma
Sultani Kimola.
haidoma iye mulale, haidoma. Hey! I think more soup. I'll bring you more soup, baby. I think soup has been really making her also feel better. You know, the soup that I've been bringing helping her also with the meds, but I'll have to take her to the hospital for the checkup of her leg, because she's complaining more about the leg. For now, even I'm feeling my face is kinda, have you ever seen a face that was gloomy but now has a big wide smile? Because the moment I see her smiling, I know things are moving on very, very nice and better. All right, let's just do some cleaning inside, then we wanna see what we are doing. Wanna harvest maybe some soursoups for her. All right, my doorstep is dirty because of the shoes that are around here. Yeah. So I can do this. Hey, you ended up even cleaning the utensils.
Yes.
Hey, kijana, those are the saucepans. Hey, they are shining. Hey, Manu. That's Manu for you guys. Manu Cloud. He helps me a lot when I'm around here at home with him. Because for now we don't have a girl. We don't have a girl sister who can help us right now. But yeah, that's also a sign for showing up that no man is limited. Or it's also another sign that there's no work for the gender, that maybe we say this work is for the female. Gender? Gender stereotype. Eh, my young brother knows English. Hey, I think I know, but he knows much than me. At gender? Guys, let comment down below, what's gender stereotypes? What's gender stereotypes? If you know what's the meaning of gender stereotypes, kindly comment down below and let us know what's going on around. My brother here just decided to tell me it's called gender
Stereotypes.
So the gender stereotypes, that means that there's no work for any gender.
Yeah.
Okay. Who taught you that?
It is in social study textbooks.
Okay.
So I read myself.
You read myself. It's good to read books. I also have several books here. I think when I'll be doing what we call, like when I'll be traveling anywhere I come with the books. I just set them here. So this will act as a shelf for books. This used to be my network, but it collapsed. So nowadays we just struggle little by little. But it's okay. So let's do some cleaning over here. As my brother said, it's gender stereotype. Alright, man, that's my Cloud. So as he's doing his job there, let me also start doing what is necessary to be done to avoid gender stereotype. That's a new word for me, man. Eh?
It can be like new to you.
It's
Not
new.
everyone.
Yeah, it will be new for me, but not for
Everyone.
now with your English, I'll start to fear you. It can be new to me, but not new to everyone.
Yes.
Man. That is really embalasso. Do you know embalasso?
Embarrassment.
Yeah, it's really embalasso. Hey, my brother tells me it can be new to me, but not new to everyone.
By now your knives are complete here.
My?
Your knives. So, you see?
So the knives are complete.
complete.
The cutlery, they are complete. So we have bigger, biggest, smaller, smallest. Yeah, it's good to have caterings like this. The moment you leave them scattered, hey, you'll find people going to sell fish, sugar cane with them. Over here, the moment they see a very good knife like this, you'll find people selling sugar cane with them. So you start complaining, oh, my knife, I saw it, somebody selling sugar cane with it somewhere. Oi. So that's it. Because now nobody's around to do this. I have to do it on my own. Again. Gender stereotype. Hey, that thing will ring in my mind. I never knew that. Did you know that? It's every day is a learning day. And if you're free to learn, you'll learn. But if not, you're not free to learn, you'll not learn. Manu. That's Manu with his own English. With his own English words. Gender stereotype. And also now, the moment I'm arranging this way, you see the way they are arranged. So from there, take this plastic chair. I saw people complaining about these plastic chairs. Claude, why are you having plastic chair in your very nice house? Guys, in the village over here, it's better to have this kind of plastic chairs for mobility, because you cannot move this. Suppose like a friend came and he says doesn't want to sit in the house, you want to have privacy down there, you sit under the flowers, under the tree to have very nice shade. So these are here, you just pick them and you take them there. And also, yeah, the moment they're this way, you can just carry them, you put them here, and you can share a meal with a friend. Yeah, so that's what we call like, sometimes I fail to explain to you because sometimes I feel like my head is so much. But now I have to explain to you that these chairs they act very much for mobility. You can carry it from here to the kitchen. You can sit with it in the kitchen while your wife is cooking, or while you're cooking, a friend can sit there and you make some stories. Yeah, so hopefully somebody has understood that. And remember, it's a small tiny house over here in the village, and that's why I'm telling you that we are staying still over here, and yet it's not yet complete. It's a family house. We call it a Simba or Simba house. Simba house is a house which is built for boys, and always it's also one room. Like this living room here, it comprises of a bedroom, kitchen, living room, everything is there. When you come with friends, you have to sit there. But with me, I decided to extend the Simba to be 2 bedroom, to be 3 bedroom, but later on I changed the 3rd bedroom to be a kitchen. And I decided to make a door over here one day so that we can have an access to this other room that you see over there. It's incomplete. Yeah, and also we have a mirror. Sometimes when you want to see yourself, when the lights are on, you want to see which kind of a pimple you push out. And on this other end, that's how is it. And the wish has been accomplished now. Alright guys, let's keep on cleaning and arranging the house very, very well. Alright, let us know the arrangement of the house. Yay! Those are the tumblers. You have to go slowly by slowly. At the moment you put it that way, guys, you arrange, help me those tumblers. You arrange the utensils slowly by slowly. And also we have tumblers which are new for more juices, and for those who enjoy, they'll be enjoying. So big there, also over there. Yeah, slowly by slowly, that way and that way. So over here, oh, we have milk. We have milk for Baba Johnny. That should be here. That should be there. Also, you have to pick this. Yeah, that way. Put them inside that way. So we'll be having that. We have milk, some top wine glasses in there. Anything else, Manu?
Those up there.
These don't have to be up.
Yes.
That way. This one should be also up here. So we close. What about this one are for cooking? This one should be, yeah. So this one should be up. Cups from France. La Francais. Yeah. Slowly by slowly. with Manu Cloud here. Manu Cloud, how is it?
Okay, it's fine.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, help me. I take this off. Let's do some cleaning to avoid cockroaches. You know, if you don't clean your house, hey, you'll be a friend of cockroach. And the moment you are a friend of cockroach, hey, they will embarrass you even if when you are having some friends in your house. The cockroaches wanna come and eat your stuff. They will help you. And the moment you cook food, cockroach is there.
They help you testing.
They do food testing, right?
Yes.
That's Manu Cloud for you guys. He's telling you the moment you do what? You cook food. There's some cockroaches there for you to do some food testing for you. As if you don't know how to do food testing. So cockroaches will help you to do some food testing that way. Then you can put this one over here. Put them in there. Also have this. Think everything is set well, right?
Yes.
Right there. Also we have moringa here. Let it be here for easy cutting. Alright, and also guys, we have milk. You know milk? This is milk. I know this kind of milk, you don't have them on your place, but with us here, we have this kind of milk. It's called fermented milk. This one we do gully. Look at me guys. This one we do gully. You have no idea. This one we do gully. You have no idea. So as CJ, I just put it down there. And also, yeah, we check for stuff like this. We leave them there, like this. And also, I have more moringa, in which I'll be doing what we call like grinding it well for BB. So this moringa has really helped me to consume. You see, like this one. So the moment it's powder like, but I want it to be more powder like, so that I can do it like this. You see, powder like, to be more powder like, because this one we just grinded it. So this one I want it also to be more powder like, so that it can be used for the moment I bring soup for baby. We just mix it slowly by slowly. All right. So it's time to measure baby pressure. So we're gonna see. Also we check on how she's faring on. We did this after she has ate ugali. So the moment she ate ugali, now it's time for me to go and then she has relaxed. And not just ugali, but brown ugali, because people should be telling me, Claude, she's not supposed to eat ugali, which is yes. But it's finger millet mixed with Manu, come! Finger millet mixed with sorghum and a little cassava, so that we can, measure her pressure, you see. Alright. The moment she sees these things, she becomes very weak. She fears this. More so now the needle. I saw people saying that I'm doing it badly. But this is how we always do it. From even the prescription from the doctor. Yeah. So embuzi ya kolera ime uzambe shifura. Put it up deep. That way. Up. Okay. That way. Na usiongee sawa? Unyamaze hata kama inakufinya. Umesikia? Ndio tupate rekodi kamili. Sasa weka mkono hivi. Usiinue juu sana. Eka tu hivi. Kunja. Hivi. Hivyo. Usiushushe chini au usiinue juu, sawa? I'm telling you. Let's check on this so that you can see how it's going. Usiegemee. At least today it's kinda okay. It's 128. We show 88, and the pulses are 75 per minute. You know, the pulses are 75 per minute, and the diagnosis is 80, and the SYS is 128, which means it has reduced, and it's kinda exceeding with 8. You know, but this one is kind of a little bit better, not like the other one that she was 150, 160. You know, I was like, where? But with this, it's better. You know, so comment down below today, did I do it well, or should we repeat? Let us repeat, we see how it will be. All right, let us repeat and then we see. Mkono bibi hivi na usishushe chini, sawa? I'm telling her to be, just put the hand that way so that we can just measure again. Hi, kubima tore. Hi. I'm telling her we are measuring it again. You're here with the mommy to check it. This one is giving 91, 78, and 98 and the pulses per minute. You know, that's it, because she raised it. Sometimes it can give you an error. Bibi, hi Doma. Hi guys, so let's put this guys load. So we wait for tomorrow. We'll take her for the leg diagnosis so she can be under the CT scan. We check on her legs. All right guys, so at this time it's time to prepare tea. It's time to prepare tea. Yeah, I'm gonna prepare tea, a little bit tea. No, use the scissors to cut, because the moment you do this, when there's a neighbor maybe, or a friend, or a visitor who has come and he peeps in the window and see how you're doing this and be like, hey, no, I'm not drink that tea. But the moment you use the scissors, these are kitchen scissors, a little bit advanced guys. I'm learning slowly by slowly. Not that I used to do this, I used to do like but now, yeah. So we add milk. Then you return the scissors where they are supposed to be returned, and also you dispose this. All right, so that way. Oh, sorry. The Bwana Mkubwa series are here, so we can add a little chocolate. The Bwana Mkubwa series, so keep on following the Bwana Mkubwa series. We are here always, and it's Christmas time, the Christmas Eve, so Eve Christmas, and also I'll use this to keep on moringa. I think that's for the salt. I think this would be better for moringa. Yeah. Until time where I'll be grinding it. But for now, let it have a very nice time in here. Okay. Now we have full of this of moringa. So we put it this way. Yeah, you preserve it. So I'll preserve it somewhere where it's cool and nice, like that way. So anytime I feel like having moringa, it's just little to the tea or warm water or mixed with soup. You eat and you feel safe and healthy, you know. All right. So making it a little bit warm for Bibi. Which process is this? Is it winnowing? The process of cooling the tea for Bibi. So I'm just cooling it slowly by slowly so that she can go have it slowly. Which process is this? The process of cooling the tea. Comment down below. It's a little bit cool. So we have her brown bread. I think 4 slices will be there. I don't think even if she will finish that 4 slices with Bibi. I don't think. But it's okay, Manu.
Yes.
Take this to Bibi. Take this to Bibi. Yeah, okay guys. It is lunchtime. It's time for lunch. And I wanna prepare lunch. I'm just boiling water. And I wanna serve my lunch with milk, you know, fermented milk. So let us cook, then we wanna see. Right, cooking ugali, just like a typical morning routine, or just a typical routine, a daily routine in an African village right here. That's how you see. So let's just boil water and it will be okay. All right. So Bibi ate his her brown ugali. Now it's me also to prepare this because Manu just went. There's no electricity right now, so I think he went to Brilliant Traveler to charge his phone. So I wanna prepare ugali and just keep it slowly for him, and also the remaining one I wanna just serve it for myself. Because now we just decided to cook for Bibi because Bibi eat brown ugali, and with us we love ugali mahindi or maize or corn flour, so that we can eat corn ugali a little bit. So let me mingle it until it's ready. Alright, and also let us know in the comment section which kind of food is your favorite over there in your countries. How do you people cook? You know, like us, it must be a little bit stiff. I went to South Africa, they eat pap. It's the same as ugali, but their pap is a little bit soft. In Ghana, they have fufu, and they have something like ugali. They call it banku. It's like ugali, but it's also very soft. It's not cooked under high temperatures like ugali. You know, ugali is cooked under high temperatures, but banku is just cooked slowly by slowly. It's like omotu. So like us here, it has to be stiff so that you can gain more energy and power. So let me just wait for it to just go a little, just that way. Just that way. Wash. Yeah, now it can keep on cooking. It's ready now. Take my unga here. Stir here, and it's okay now. You take plate la plata. You reduce your fire so that it cooks slowly by slowly. Then you serve it. By that time I could be serving maziwa. Do you know maziwa? Maziwa, milk. Yeah, I'll show you just guys a little by little. Slowly by slowly. And then you wanna consume it slowly that way. It's ready now. You can just see this one here. Oh, the saucepan is boiling. So you must be professional in just making this. So our ugali is ready. This is the ugali. Very hot. You just come here. You do what we call like just take milk. It's fermented milk. Let us know, do you guys take milk? So that way, yeah. So we'll go just take another fresh milk, boil it, and then mix it again in the inside here. You know, just that way. Bon appetit. Alright guys. Yeah. And it wants to rain, and one thing is these dogs, the moment they see, and I've seen something over here, the soursop. What are you eating? Now I saw some soursops here, and I want to harvest them, and we want to harvest them with Manu Claude. He's back from charging his phone. Yeah.
Hold for me.
I hold for you this. Okay. Okay. Is your phone full?
No, it is 67 plus.
Okay. Go up, go up, go up. Hey. Mapangale. Go up. That's how we go up. Vesting matunda slowly by slowly. I think the other one is already ripe, right? No, not that one. The other one. Is that ripe?
Yes.
Wow. Throw it down. Wow. Soursop. Soursop. Soursop.
This is the one that I was telling you to cook on Thursday.
So it's already. Okay, bring it down. Yay! Bangali. Hey! We have soursop, another soursop. Yay! We have two soursops now. Soursop. Yeah?
There's a bird building up here.
Oh, okay, leave it there. Don't destroy it. Alright guys, these are the soursops, and yeah, let's finish kumalo them. We eat them. So one for you and one for me, right? Okay, small one for you and this one for me, right? I'll eat with Bibi. Hey, I wish I was traveling to Mombasa. The other one, I'll take it to Binhai, okay? Okay, mom is calling me. Alright guys, see you. Suddenly guys, it started raining, and it's my best time now to go and sleep. When it rains that way, right now it's just drizzling, but when it rains, hey, it's my best time to sleep. You have no idea when it's raining for me, because now I've eaten, I'm full, I've eaten the salsa. Now it's time to sleep. Let the motorbike be there, also being read on, so that shows blessings. Alright guys, thank you so much, be blessed. I really appreciate your love and support, and we are experiencing again no electricity. This is I think the second day, I think, from yesterday yeah, electricity went. So even me, I don't know how this video will be uploaded, but let's wait and see. Hopefully it will be up. So guys, remember, we are on the road to 30,000 subscribers. Subscribe, share, and show some love, and I really appreciate your love and support. Thank you, and bye. See you.